Where to go at night in Karon? The good news about Karon nightlife is that most of the bars are fairly close together, but not right on top of one another. This makes for good pub crawling, but without too much battle of the bands action. The bad news is that after a few places, you'll notice that it's all pretty much the same. This isn't terrible, however, since for a big night out, you'll probably be heading just over the hill to Patong anyway. Karon's nightlife is mainly centered on Luang Po Chuan Road, and to a lesser extent, the Aruna Karon complex. Both of these areas have enough pubs and girly bars to keep locals happy, and Luang Po Chuan has a couple of more upscale and trendy watering holes for the urbanites among you. Luang Po Chuan Road. Luang Po Chuan Road is Karon's version of Bangla Road in Patong, with a bar soy at either end, similar to places like Patong's Soy Gonzo or Soy Crocodile, but on a smaller scale and lacking the ladyboy stage. At the western end, closer to the beach, is an L-shaped soy with Black Cat at the angle. Other bars in the area include Nan's, Hotshot and Winner. There's also a side street with a few shops and restaurants here. Almost all of these bars have pool tables, which make for an amusing distraction while you are getting chatted up by the girls. Where you flom? At the far end, there's another bar soy with a little more lascivious feel. The places here all have names like Amazon, Bikini Bar and Easy Bar. Go figure. For something other than simple beer bars, try out Karma Lounge on the easterly corner of the road. Karma Lounge is a trendy-looking place with occasional live music. Culture lovers will go for Nakanai Art Plaza, a bohemian little colony with a coffee house and bar attached. Diagonally opposite Karma Lounge is the aptly named Farang Bar. Farang is Thai for Westerner. In the middle of Luang Po Chuan is a short cul-de-sac known as Bangla Plaza. While nothing like its Patong equivalent, this area does have Harry's Steakhouse, a popular restaurant, as well as Sanuk Sports Bar. Aruna Karon. Further north along the beach and you'll see Aruna Karon. This complex contains a mixture of bars and restaurants, and is a good place to go for dinner and drinks. Keep going a little farther north and you'll hit the easily identifiable Karon Circle. From here you can head north to go over the hill into Patong, or turn east to enter the other main nightlife area of Karon Beach. On your left-hand side, you'll see a small road which contains a few bars, the best of which is probably Skylight Bar, which has a very good happy hour from 17 o'clock to 19 o'clock, as well as satellite TV to catch all the important matches. Also in this soy, you'll find Viking Bar, Magic Bar and Allies Bar. At the far end of the street, there's another soy that mainly focuses on shopping and restaurants, but has a few small watering holes.